Tropical Storm Hilary is intensifying quickly and is a rather big storm as well. Right now off the coast of Mexico, positioned at 13.4 degrees north, 105.1 degrees west. Hilary right now is a tropical storm with 50 miles per hour sustained winds with a pressure of 996 millibars, moving to the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. That's latest at 21 hours local time in Guadalajara, which is 20 hours local time in Baja California Sur, 3 hours UTC on August the 16th local time, August the 17th on UTC hours. The tropical storm force winds extending up to 180 nautical miles to the northeastern quadrant, 120 to the southeastern quadrant, 100 miles nautical miles to the southwestern quadrant, and 120 to the northwestern quadrant. It's a quite big system, and the wind field is expected to actually grow up even more as the storm gains strength. Right now it's located about 632 kilometers to the south of Manzanillo, 676 kilometers to the south-southwest of Acapulco, 1,170 kilometers to the south-southeast of Cabo San Lucas, and 2,470 kilometers to the southeast of San Diego in the United States. The current image of this system compared to Tropical Storm Fernando, as you can see on the upper left side, how big Hilary is. The National Hurricane Center, they say, is at 50 miles per hour sustained winds, including us, so there's practically we are agree with that on the forecast as well. And this is the projection of the future of this system, expected to gain strength rapidly and possibly gaining hurricane status by tomorrow in the afternoon at least, and the next 18 hours or even less, depending on how fast this storm intensifies. You can already see the tropical storm force winds extending really high to the northern quadrants, but still way far from land. Expected to become a major hurricane by this weekend, and then accelerating to the Baja California Peninsula and possibly striking San Diego or nearby San Diego in California, possibly as a tropical storm or an extratropical cyclone. We are not sure about that, but if it does, it will be only the 6th time that a tropical cyclone makes landfall in California state. Quite interesting, of course. The sea surface temperatures up to 30 degrees Celsius, 31, and those temperatures will remain as the same as Hilary moves to the west-northwest and to the northwest, intensifying rather quickly, gaining category 3 status at least. Could be more intense depending on how fast it intensifies. And you can see on the GFS model the future of this system becoming a major hurricane, possibly a category 3 or category 4 by the GFS model. Quite big system, as you can see, bringing so much rain to the whole Baja California Peninsula, actually so much needed rain, since they are having a severe drought. So of course it's going to be a kind of welcoming system, but of course the destruction potential could be also high. So let's take all the precautions on all the information about the local authorities to being protected the best as possible. And this is the projection of different models about the intensity of the system. Practically all of them are disagree about which intensity Hilary will obtain. Some say it's going to remain as a tropical storm, others they say it's going to be a category 1 or category 2 hurricane, and then there are others that is going to be up to 130 knots of intensity. Quite high difference of estimation, so that's why it is important to know and to be updated about the future of this system, since the models aren't agreed yet. And this is the wind shear levels of Hilary, practically low, and will remain practically low over the next days, and that's why Hilary will intensify rather quickly as well. And the sea surface temperatures remaining high 29-30 degrees Celsius over the next days, dropping dramatically over the next days, and that's why Hilary will start to weaken as it moves to the north towards Baja California Peninsula. And the humidity as well, it's going to encounter so much dry air as well as it moves to the north, but still the conditions are absolutely perfect for Hilary to intensify and to be a significant hurricane in the next days. This is the satellite of Hilary presented by our website 413.com. You can check them out on our website and see more tools and information about this hurricane and more on our website 413.com. That's all for today's update of Hilary. We'll be back again tomorrow with more information about this system.